Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the whole moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the whole moving average. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 55 indicators. And out of those 55 indicators, 16 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of these 16 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the market with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said today, we will be testing the whole moving average. This is a continuation of the moving average head-to-head testing that we have been doing in the last couple of videos. So, we are doing a price action break of the moving average, and so when the price action breaks below, that is a sign or a signal to go short. When it breaks up above, that is a signal to go long. And that's how we will be testing it today. So let's get on with the testing process here and see what we can get out of the whole moving average. Alright, there is the first signal right there, and that would be a winner. I can already tell. Alright, let's see. Does not. Nope, did not break it there. Comes down and kind of sort of breaks it there. Let's go forward just a little bit more. Let's see. That right there technically did not break. But we see this a lot with moving averages, or anytime you have just a single line indicator that is interacting with price action, is that this candle right here did not break below the moving average. But when the next day's candle opened, it opened and was below the moving average at that point. And so technically this would be a cross up, going up a long signal, but we are still riding out the signal that it gave us back here, because in theory it never once crossed down below. And so that means that this one back here would have in fact been a winning trade. So let's keep on moving on here. Well, this one really hugs it close. I do believe, though, that this right here, this move, yeah, definitely would have wiped out our stop, unfortunately, before it then continued on in the direction we wanted it to go. So that is unfortunate. But let's keep going here. So far, I like what I'm seeing with this particular moving average. it seems to have a way of hugging the moving average line super close and then doing a good job of continuing in the correct direction after getting the signal. So let's see. Now it's a little early to know exactly what we will get. 97, 110 is our take profit. So unfortunately, that one there would have been a losing signal. And then there's this one here. Let's measure it out. That one we got. So far, this one is looking much better than the Arnaud Legault moving average that we tested in the last video on the same exact pair on the same exact year. So, if that's worth anything, I'll definitely take it. We're a little bit past the halfway point of the year, and gotten a few losses here, but all in all, this moving average seems to be doing really well. And so I have some decent hopes for it at this point. Again, it is always too early to tell until we are actually calculating up the wins versus losses, but it seems to be doing a really good job. And so, yeah, let's keep moving along here and see where it's going to take us. We are almost to the end of the year now. Let's play this out a little bit more. Let's see. So, nope, that was not within the year. All right, so here we are. We are at the end of the year. Let's calculate this up and see what we get out of this moving average. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 signals. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Man, that is really, really, really close. I mean, super close to hitting the 60%. Let's see, at 29, 60% is 17.4. And so, definitely this one is the best moving average that we have tested so far. Seemed to give us a really reasonable number of signals. It wasn't over trading like crazy. 29 is a little bit much, a little, but I mean, the thing is, it was giving some really good signals. And so this is what I talk about a lot. If we can find a indicator that is a quote unquote over trader, but does it profitably and does it with accuracy, then that's totally fine. What we need to watch out for is we need to watch out for the over trading indicators that are just destroying our profits with unnecessary entries. And so this one, like I said, at 29 signals in a year, that's generally a little bit more than I see most profitable indicators giving. Most profitable indicators that I find in a 1 year's time on the daily chart usually is around 15 to 20 signals within a year, and they are able to usually like I said, achieve the win rate, the 60% or more. And so at 29 signals, it's a reasonable number of signals. But like I said, it's giving them rather accurately. And so I think it is so close on this one. I think I'm going to put this one on the yes list to move on. And I think what I'm going to do is, if we find another moving average that, obviously is a step above this one, then it will bump this one out of the lineup. But at this point, I feel like, that's a really reasonable, win ratio that it gave us there. And so I really hate to throw this one out because it just really, really felt like it was doing a good job of giving these accurate signals, these accurate entries. And even some of them, unfortunately, uh, we got stopped out only because it hit our stop loss. It didn't give us a signal to go in the other direction. It just came up and hit our stop loss before returning down and stopping us out. And so that's super unfortunate because, that one, like this one right here, for example, is the one I'm talking about. This one stayed within the moving average. I mean, it gave us an accurate signal here. It just came up a little too high, hit our stop loss, and then continued in the correct direction. And so I feel like this one is worth keeping around, at least for now, and so far is the best moving average that we have tested. None of the rest of the moving averages that we have tested have been able to meet the criteria or even get this close to it. And so, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list for now. And we're going to go ahead and move on to the next moving average. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.